everyone, my name is Monica and I'm a gallery educator at the i.d.e.a Museum. And since we've been closed for a while, we wanted to bring you some fun art activities that you can do yourself at home. Today, we're going to do an art activity that was inspired by our Artful Tales experience, which is always based on a book. So today you're going to make a string-ish painting. Here are some examples that some of our friends at the i.d.e.a Museum did previously. And just like all of our Artful Tales experiences, this art activity was based on a book. And the book that we read is called i.d.e.a, and it's by Peter H. Reynolds. And in this book, the main character really loves to draw. Do you like to draw? But he's having trouble making his drawings look exactly like what they're supposed to. But then he discovers that that's okay. They can just be ish. They can look a little bit like a vase, or a little bit like the garden, or they can be sad-ish. And it doesn't matter what it looks like, he just has a lot of fun drawing and painting. So we're gonna make a painting that's just fun to make, and it doesn't matter what it looks like. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some thick paper, like cardstock or finger paint paper, so it's nice and strong and holds up to the paint. You're gonna need some paint. We put ours on a paper plate. And then instead of a paintbrush, you're gonna use some string or some yarn or some thread or whatever you have hanging around at your house. We just cut it up into small pieces. You can use it like this if you want to, but it might get messy. So you can find a clothespin at your house and clip it on. And then you have your very own homemade paintbrush, and you're gonna make a string-ish painting. All right, so once you get all of your materials together, we can get started. What kind of picture do you wanna make? Take a second and think. And then when you're ready, look at the colors that you have. And what you're gonna wanna do is really get the string in the paint. If you don't put it in enough, the paint won't stick. So you really gotta smoosh it in there. Go ahead, do all your colors right away. Ooh, this one's gonna be good. Woo! Right, we got some sparkly on here. Okay, really smoosh it in there and cover that string with paint. And then see what happens. See what happens when you paint. You can drag it really slowly. Ooh, that's kind of cool. It kind of looks like a flower at the top. Ooh! I'm gonna do that again. I like that. Let's see if I can do it again. Splat! Woo! Oh yeah, I wonder what this picture is gonna be. All right, maybe this one's really big, so I'm gonna see what happens when you twirl. Twirl. Oh, I made some circles. That's really cool. What else will this big one do? Fling, fling, fling. Oh yeah. Ooh, I think I'm making a pool-ish picture. Kind of looks like pool. Oh, I accidentally got some yellow in there. All right, let's see what this one does. Maybe you just kind of want to dance it across the paper. String, string. These are all the splashes from the pool. This pool is definitely going to be a pool-ish picture. Oh yeah, splash, splash, splash. All right, and just see what happens when you do different things with your strings. And when you like your picture and you think it looks ish enough, you're all done. There's an ish picture. I'm gonna call this one pool-ish because I'm thinking about summertime and I think it looks a little bit like the water. So there you have it. All right, how does your string-ish painting look? Here's mine. Thanks for joining the i.d.e.a Museum for our art experiences at home. We hope to see you again, and we hope you share your ish paintings with us too. Bye.